Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing and also activating your bell icon. Thank you for clicking on to watch as well. So today I am taking you through how to make this easy, simple yet so delicious smoked mackerel that you can make in the comfort of your home. It looks like the marketplace. It tastes even better, and it's so simple with everyday seasonings. So come on in and let's begin. This is my mackerel. In Ghana we call this salmon. It has been thoroughly washed with vinegar, gutted, and now it is ready to be seasoned. It is very important to get this washed very well, just so to get rid of all the fishy smells. I just added remi fish seasoning onto my mackerel. If you are new to my channel, this is Owusue's Kitchen. I am so happy to have you here. Please consider to join the family by activating your bell icon and liking this video. Next, I'll add some garlic granules together with smoked paprika. The smoked paprika gives it that nice beautiful color as well as the smoky flavor. That's it. 3 simple ingredients, yet they complement each other and bring out the best in mackerel. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and toss it together and mix everything. You would absolutely fall in love with these simple seasonings that we use with this mackerel. It is ready. You can bake this in a regular oven, but I find the air fryer very quick and easy, so I'll go ahead and use an air fryer to smoke this mackerel. But as usual, you can use your conventional oven to smoke it as well. I'll go ahead and spray the fish with some oil to give it a nice shine when it is done. And I have discovered the best settings for smoking the best mackerel in air fryer. First, we're going for the bake option. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on bake. It only takes 15 minutes for this to finish. And at the bake settings, it cooks the fish alright, and then it gives it that nice moist inside. So when the mackerel is done, it won't come out too tough and stiff. Next, we put it back and then we go for the air fryer option for another 15 minutes to cook it perfectly. Now the outside is nice and crisp with a bright, nice shine. Just look at this. Smoked mackerel at home with the inside being nice and moist. And I hope you try this simple mackerel recipe and say hello to a delicious spinach stew, okra, garden egg stew, even egg sauce. It is so versatile. And thank you for watching. I hope you do love this. I'll see you in my next upload. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.